All right, YouTube, welcome back to the free Celica. We're in Scottsdale, maybe, I think. So the thing that we just pulled in right where we picked up the car. The first thing I got was .3. So come on over here, we're gonna go come and look. So when I went and looked at this after he just gave me the car, this is like 20 minutes after that video. Free Celica car from a free subscriber, it's crazy. Look how dirty it is in here, oh dear Lord. But I said, have you ever checked the clutch fluid? And he said no. So I went and showed him real quick. There is no clutch fluid in there. Look what we got. This is $4, $4. .3 right here, brake fluid. We're gonna just throw that in there. This will make it run like a champ. So now, while it's sitting right there, I'm gonna go pump the clutch a few times and watch it get sucked on down.
Listen to her purr.
All right, so we put probably half of this in here. We gotta go get some more car parts. Man, this thing it's limping along. So fingers crossed we make it. Hit the like button for the good luck. So, and I know you guys all like Celica, so hit the like button for the Celica, but give me a like for good luck. Let's go ahead and jump in the car and head off to get a car part. Good thing I have LEDs for all this stuff.
Okay, go.
So, yeah, we are like in Scottsdale. We are, I don't know how many miles, like 1,800 miles away from where I live. It's crazy. The car barely goes into any gears. It really needs a new clutch, which I can do myself, but I might pay a shop on the way back to do it. We'll see how much they'll charge me to get a clutch put on here. I don't know what the check engine light is for. I added fluid to it. We'll see if it makes it better as time goes. But yeah, we're just fingers crossing. We're gonna get a car part right now for this car, but we're just fingers crossed that we make it on the way back. It's now nighttime. We tried to drive this car, and I'm gonna be honest with you, we can't make it. We tried our best. So I flew 1,800 miles or something for this car because we wanted to take it. He was willing to give this for me for free. He gave me the car, gave me the title and everything. Jared, you're the man. It was so great meeting you. But unfortunately, it's not drivable. It needs the clutch. It won't go into gear. I can't get it into gear. We pulled over to the stop, and I know I've driven manual since I was 15. You gotta turn the car off and then put it into first and then start the car to go, and it was just a nightmare. And he had no idea. He knew how to drive his car. He's amazing, but I just don't feel comfortable driving it unless someone gets a new clutch on it or whatnot. So he said he's gonna put it up for sale, which I think he should. I think that's cool. Maybe he'll fix it and then put it up for sale, or maybe he'll just sell it. It's a good 2ZZ GTS 6-speed manual, 02. How cool is that? But I just don't feel comfortable driving it back. We were actually on our way to, I had the whole thing planned out. We were gonna get wheels, we were gonna get a TRD body kit. I'm late right now to meet the guy to get the TRD body kit. And I feel so bad because he drove from Tucson to Phoenix to get this body kit, but this car couldn't even make it back from where we were in Scottsdale to Phoenix, which is just really unfortunate. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna take an Uber and I'm gonna get out of here, I think. So that's where we're gonna leave the car here. Jared will be back to pick up the Celica. But yeah, I mean, this is where we're leaving it. Really unfortunate. Do I feel bad that I spent money on the airplane? Nah, not at all. Jared, you're the man. I can't believe anyone was gonna give me their free Celica. A subscriber reaching out and saying, hey, here's my free car. Totally gonna post the videos. I think that's so cool. But yeah, I had everything set up. We were gonna do TRD action package. So I had to message that guy. I sent him some money for him driving up here. I feel bad for that. But yeah, I'm gonna call it a day. I know my Toyota Celicas and I know my GTSs, and I know how much this would take to get it back running to where I want to be, and it's just not the car for me today. So unfortunately, you know, unfortunate and fortunate that I decided not to pick it up, I'd say. But we are gonna go and jump back on the Lotus ELISE turboed, the Evo and the MR2. Eventually I'll be back with a Celica. Again, I wanted a Sports M. This guy just reached out to me and said, Jared said, hey, just come get my car and save it. So I feel good. It's just indifferent. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and I'm so sorry if I let you guys all down. We will be back with a Celica. I'm in Phoenix, so we're gonna find a way to get back up to Washington. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.